Hello everyone. So I'm just gonna try to open some packs to see if I can get two on the group stage. It's gonna be very unlikely, but you know, we give it a shot. See what happens. At least getting a good one is gonna be a little tough. I mean, my pack luck hasn't been, well, it's been pretty bad. Perez. I don't know which one of these. Just trying to pick up the BPL players, I guess. Maybe they go for something. Oh, there's a lot of BPL players right there. Alright. I saw somebody Puff Daddy pick pack Halit yesterday. Wow! Whoa! Oh! And the walkout! It's Ozil, right? Yes. Wow. I mean, I'm not gonna really use Ozil, but that's pretty good. I can't name 90 rated Ozil. Nice. That's what I like to see. And that card looks beautiful too, dude. Wow, that card looks really good. I cannot wait for the Team of the Year cards. I think those are gonna be great as well. Alright, yeah, Ozil, like, I mean, Ozil is so good in real life. I mean, in FIFA though, I just feel like he's not, I guess it's praise or whatever it is. Wow, he goes for a lot too. 352. I'm gonna list him up because I don't really need him. Yeah, send to transfer list. I don't know why I send other players to send transfer list, but send those to club, send to transfer list. Wow, second pack, man. As I really just don't have any hope as far as getting any good players, just because my pack luck has been like really bad. So getting like Ozil in the second pack is just what? That's nothing probably. You didn't see any player. Player doesn't mean much. There could be like a couple of players, you know, you can still. Yeah, that's good enough. Wow, 90 rated Ozil, man. That's freaking. Yo, I'm oh, Bai. That's good. Yo, I was not expecting that. That is nice. I don't need him. I don't have a lot of people in my transfer list either. I mean, I have too many people in the transfer list. Not a lot of room in the transfer list. What happened there? A big flare. Ooh! Walk out. Come on. Who's that? Oh, that's Hugo Lloris. Alright, good. I actually have Hugo Lloris. I'm going to use him for this Team of the Week. So, definitely could use that. I mean, not use it, but he might sell for something. Wow, this probably has been my best. No. Oh, no room in the club. Damn it. Alright, I might have to go to the club. And not club, sorry, transfer list. How do I have so many players? This is just the people that I put in today. I guess there must be some that didn't sell. There has to be. Damn it, I should have cleared those out. I wasn't expecting, honestly, I didn't know there was going to be, lighting around today. Oh, he didn't sell. Let's clear some rooms just in case. There's still gonna be a bunch of packs. I mean, maybe we load up some more FIFA points just because I got Ozil. Check something, I think. Oh, he didn't. I mean, I listed him up anyways. I don't know if he's gonna sell or not, but okay. So there's still some remaining right there. Who is that? Martinez. Nice, 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 nice. Alright, put those in this club. Ball back. Alright, I'm just going to turn the Elgato off just for a second, load up some FIFA points, and then we'll do it again. I wish there was a pause option for recording, but anyways, be right back. So loading up some more FIFA points. I wonder if there's gonna be 120k packs though, or 125k packs, whatever it is. Alright, we're back. Ooh, another walkout. Come on, baby. Don't be a Sergio Busquets. Oh, damn it! For some reason, I thought it was KDB, but you know, whatever. Yo, that's another guy that's so good. Like, I love watching David Silva play, but whenever I get a chance to watch him play, anyways. But in FIFA, it always feels like he's undervalued, if you will. Toprak. Coleman. Oh, center back. Hilton. I'll take it. I don't even know who is in this week's. Oh no, I don't want to meet him. I don't even know who is in this week's Jovinko. He doesn't really sell. Prepare myself for a bit. I need to go clear up more rooms. Alright, there's still time. 5,000 can open. This is a new account, that's why I only have like, you know, 70 whatever. Look at that blue card, it looks amazing. I mean, if it was a usable blue card, I'd probably keep him, but it's not. Bartra. What the hell did I save? I don't know what I was thinking. Putting him on the transfer list. Zaha probably don't suffer much. One probably doesn't suffer much. I'm saving those Movember cards too. It's like just in case there's a SBC. I don't think there will be, but I figured at any time they're going for like minimum anyways, right? So I might as well keep him and then sell him. If, you know, it's not like I'm losing out any coins if I'm selling them as a discard value. Oh, another big flare. CDM. Not impressed. I am not impressed. Okay, Sacco, Koulibaly, Walcott, Piniator. Maybe people still want to buy the Jovinko's PCs. I don't know why you would. You could just go and buy his informs cheaper, probably. Oh, another blue card. Please let it be a good one. Oh, Giuliano. Okay, I'll take him. That card looks good too, man. That card is... Look at that dribbling, shooting, pace. He has 85 pace. That's crazy. What? I got 2 blue in one and an inform? Wow. I mean, they're not really necessarily worth much, but still. That's crazy. 2 blue and an inform. I mean, I'd rather take the Neymar blue, to be honest with you, but, you know. Well, that was a crazy card. That's wow. Yeah, that's pretty good. Actually, let me just sell them. And that makes me want to open more packs, dude. Not gonna lie. This has been good 100k pack opening. Ooh, Handanovic. Take that. I could have sworn Handanovic was a walkout. I guess not. That doesn't matter. Keep them. Send that to club. Alright, I'm gonna load up some more FIFA points. Hold on. I don't even know if I'm gonna have time. Come on. Come on, man. Alright, gotta go quick with these, right? Got to go quick with these. Can be taking your time. There's nothing really there. Alright. Wow, 3 blues, 1 90 rated Ozil. Wow. And Hugo Lloris. Yeah, that's a really good pack opening for me, man. It's really good pack opening for me. Don't even have time to check this shit, man. Let's go. 3 more. I think I can do 3 more. Ooh, walk out. Alright, I'll take it, Jordi Alba, man. I'll take Jordi Alba. No doubt. Probably selling some good rated player there, but don't got the time, man. Aspilaqueta. Gotse. go quick over. Alright, the last one. Oh! The pack ran out. It's alright though. I mean, should I just do these? I'll keep 2,000 just in case there's 125k packs. I'm not gonna really open a lot of them. But anyways, got 3 blues, like a whole bunch of walkouts. I don't even remember how many walkouts. Jordi Alba and Hugo Lloris, etc. Oh, David Silva. That was a pretty good pack opening. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. You guys have a good week in league and a good rest of your day. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.